Welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Condolences messages are pouring in for Deborah Fraser's family after the news of her passing. The family has released a statement that reads as follows: "It is with deep sadness to inform you of the passing of our beloved mother, sister, auntie, and friend, a gospel musician, Dr. Deborah Fraser, following a short illness. She passed on today, Sunday, the 15th of May 2022, after midday, in the presence of her family and friends. As Dr. Deborah Fraser's family, we would like to be given a space to process and deal with this very tragic situation. The public will be further informed of any developments." Guys, a South African gospel singer, Umamu Deborah Fraser, died at the age of 57, born 1965, June 9. She began her career in 1985 as a backing singer and recorded her own album in 2000 titled Abanye Bayombona. To her family, friends, and fans, akwehlanga olungehliwe engathi umoya wakhe ungaphumula ngokuthula. That's all I have for today, guys. In her memory, please share one of her songs you like the most. Mine was Ubhlungu Buyadabukisa. Bye.